You can now see a platoon of 12 mechanized infantry Paramahar comprising of 4 BMPs moving forward in a tactical box formation.
Thank God.
Ladies and gentlemen, the platoon is now under enemy fire and will adopt the fire and move by leapfrog method, wherein 2 BMPs are moving forward to launch their attack, while the other 2 BMPs that can be seen on the right side of the grandstand are providing cover. Now you can see the rare BMPs are crossing the grandstand ready to neutralize the enemy. Ladies and gentlemen, shift your gaze to the left side of the grandstand as the BMPs are slowly arrived. The platoon is now adopting a line ahead formation to engage the aerial target. You can see the turret turning and elevating. That's how they neutralize the enemy. And now, to evade the enemy, BMP will deploy a smoke screen obscuring itself from enemy view.
बीएमपी 10 सशस्त्र थल सेना के जवानों को 65 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से 450 किलोमीटर तक असमतल इलाकों में ले जा सकता है। वे एक शक्तिशाली तोप से लैस है जो 4 किलोमीटर दूर तक दुश्मन के ठिकानों पर हमला कर सकती है।